Hello. In the first lesson you have learned how to create the material master record. In this lesson you will learn how to change the material master record, such as changing the purchasing group or the base unit of measure for a particular material or any other revision that might be necessary. Changes are important to make sure all departments view accurate information. The most common way to change the material master record is using transaction MM02, and the path to navigate the SAP menu is as follows. First, go to Logistics, then go to Materials Management, go to Material Master, then go to Material, then go to Change, and go ahead and double click on transaction MM02 immediately to change the material master number. So let's go ahead and double click on that. The change material initial screen is displayed. Let's go ahead and click on the material search icon to search for the material part number. The material number dialog open. Make sure that the material by material tab, this one, selected. Go ahead and click on the material description and type star, filter, and star again, and then click to confirm on the continue button. Now we have a list of entries listing the material type, material description, and material number. In the previous lesson we used filter and we created the material number 216. So click on that and again continue to confirm or double click. Now click on select views. We used in the previous lesson, we used basic data 1. Click on it and continue to confirm. The change material 216 finished good screen is displayed. Click on additional data. Click on units of measure, and we're gonna change the number under the Y field from 16. We're gonna make it 12. Then click on the save icon. Notice that the status bar at the bottom of the screen confirmed that the material master part number has been changed. This will complete this lesson on how to change the material master record. Please go ahead and review the quiz question to find out how much you have learned from this lesson. And if you get stuck on some of the questions, go back and take this lesson's material again.